Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ?
What's crack?
Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock the homies' hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. You and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Red 18.
Hey, Zero, what about Berkeley?
There he is! Get him!
Who's Jerry?
You drive, fucking perro!
You did good back there. Blast on these fools!
Roll up on him, CJ!
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which door it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to For Life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from round here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
It's just fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave. The average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
I don't know what he wants. I had a dream. It died in San Andreas. Move, bitch!
I need something done up here.
Come on, damn it!
You've left me no choice but to treat you with the same lack of respect you've shown me.
Hey, what's happening here?
Seriously, Ryder, man, you gotta give up them sticks.
Somebody! Anybody! Help!
You in a whole lot of trouble, tough guy. Where are you?
Cool.
8.
If you change your mind, you know where to find me.
Loud and clear.
That toy's got real attitude problems.
Hey, who's this prick? Listen to the boy.
You can come back and check your scores or take new tests at any time.
So this is it, huh?
What the fuck you waiting for? Go! I like things clean!
Dude, hurry the hell up!
Pick it up, Alero, you retarded asshole!
Hey, you look pretty shook up, girl. You want me to take you home?
Ooh, Jeffrey!
Give me a break. I ain't as fat as you.
Hey, thought I'd explain some shit.
Look the fuck out, CJ, the train!
CJ, for once, don't be a punk.
Hey, chill out.
CJ, bogey's at 12 o'clock.
Tell those guys to beat it. I got 2 OGs in mind.
You know I love the thrill of the chase.
Come on, CJ, see if you can keep up with Caesar Villapando.
CJ, get down!
These Santos bitches can't see me. These fools ain't playing out here.
You ain't hard.
My God is catching.
Look at that hot mom over there, boy. You can't be no baller OG.
What set you from, fool?
These rap fools be needing bodyguards, huh? You mad dogging me, man. Can't find them threats at no swap meet.
Dude, please shut up.